Okay, so files default language. The default language mode that is assigned to new files. So what does this mean? This is talking about when you create a new file, and it pertains to how VS Code will interpret whatever you write on a new file that doesn't yet have an extension, right? And the right criteria here is what is the most common type of file that you create. And to me, it's JavaScript. So, and by the way, you can just press Control Space here, and you have all language identifiers here. And I'm gonna go with JavaScript because those are the types of files I create the most. So when you create a new file, it automatically selects JavaScript for its interpretation. So the file's not saved yet, right? Doesn't even have an extension, but by default, it's being interpreted as JavaScript, which is cool. So just to finalize, make sure that you insert here in the default language setting the language that you create the most files in.